Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to show you the top 5 places we visited on Gran Canaria that you should definitely add to your bucket list too. And most importantly, you don't need to rent a car to reach any of them. The first place we visited was this banana plantation on the outskirts of Las Palmas. The good thing is, you don't actually need a reservation to come here, and you can spend as much time as you want on the grounds, whether you book a tour on site or not. We are visiting a banana plantation today. It's situated in the middle of nowhere, where you barely found it. It's a pain to reach it with public transport because it takes too long, like the waiting hours, but it's manageable. They have a free parking. A wasp attack, so they have a free parking over here. They have a nice shop, and they also can do like a tour. They have them in Spanish and in English, but you can also do like your own tour, I think, for free if you want. But if you book a tour, you'll have a tasting afterwards. The tour costs 14 euros per person, a bit expensive, but we'll see if it's worth it. The Canary climate with steady temperatures, mild winters and plenty of sun is perfect for banana growing. These bananas are sweeter and smaller than the standard variety found in supermarkets. The tour was really interesting, although a bit short. You'll see different sorts of bananas, learn how they grow, how they are harvested, and all that kind of stuff that you probably wouldn't find out otherwise. If you're on Gran Canaria or any of the other Canary Islands, don't hesitate to visit a plantation and learn more about the islands. The dunes of Maspalomas are one of Gran Canaria's most iconic natural landmarks. They lie next to the Atlantic Ocean, bordered by Playa del Inglés and Amadores Beach. You can reach them by bus as well, although keep in mind that the last buses from the dunes leave around 10 to 11 p.m. just in case.
Y a veces me parto y me boto en tribuna. Vecinos, prepárense que comienza el show.
We just visited the dunes. The dunes are probably one of the most famous places on Gran Canaria, and for good reason, because it looks absolutely amazing. It's like, I don't know, I've never been to Sahara, but it looks like Sahara desert to me, or like the Dune, the films. But it's quite popular, as you can see. Like, there are lots of people over there, but there are also some places that are pretty empty, especially if you go a bit further. There are also like, I don't know, like different parts of the dune, because some are with bushes, some are without. We went like towards the middle there without the bushes and with more waves. The dunes are not static. They are constantly reshaped by strong trade winds from the east and ocean breezes. This natural movement means no two visits are ever exactly the same. Sunset here is absolutely amazing. It's probably the busiest time too, but it's still worth visiting around then. Our hotel was right in front of Amadores Beach, so we were lucky in a way. One of the island's main attractions was right where we were. Playa de Amadores is an artificial beach built using imported white sand from the Caribbean and elsewhere. Thanks to breakwaters on both sides, the bay is protected from waves and currents, creating lagoon-like conditions. That's why there are a lot of families with kids here too. While it's calmer than other beaches, Amadores still offers paddle boats, snorkeling, and access to boat excursions from nearby Puerto Rico. Another thing that you shouldn't miss is the coastal promenade that connects Amadores Beach to Puerto Rico. The walkway runs along the cliffs above the ocean and is especially beautiful at sunset, where the sky turns golden. The path is fully paved, wide and flat, perfect for strolling or even jogging. And on clear days, you can sometimes glimpse Mount Teide on Tenerife. Although it's not exactly a place, but rather an activity, when you are on Gran Canaria, you can go whale and dolphin watching. Hello.
Hello.
Your expectations?
Fish.
Fish. We are intending to see a lot of fish today. Hopefully, maybe some dolphins and whales and, I don't know, turtles. We can compare to Iceland then.
Yes.
Yes. There are fish, different kinds of fishes already over there, overboard. There are so many companies that offer these experiences with different schedules, Some of them even offer hotel pickups, which is really convenient. You can see dolphins year-round with a high success rate from 90 to 100% on guided tours. While dolphin sightings are almost guaranteed, whales are also sometimes spotted. Although we didn't see one, we saw a turtle. One thing worth mentioning, a lot of people got seasick. Even though it wasn't stormy or anything, the waves were just present. So take some medication with you if you think this might be a problem. The whole trip lasted about 3 hours, and once you're out there, there is no turning back. A good practice is to look for companies that follow code of conduct guidelines for responsible whale and dolphin watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.